Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. In today's video, I am showing you how I'm creating some beautiful wall art inspired by ZGallerie. We have seen them at Home Goods, so many different places. We are obsessed with them. They are super expensive, and today I thought I would recreate one for a fraction of the cost. If you are interested in seeing how I do that, please keep watching. Okay, let's go over the products that we are going to be using to create our beautiful glam wall art. I'm going to be using this acrylic paint that I got from Hobby Lobby and this glitter that I got from Michaels. It has the thick layer and the thin layer. And of course, my favorite DIY item, my spray paint in metallic gold by Rust-Oleum. I normally got mine from Amazon, but you can get it at any craft store, including Lowe's and Home Depot. I got my matte patch from Amazon, but you can get it at any craft store, and the brushes, they are from Hobby Lobby. This is the blank Canva that I'm going to use. I got it from Michaels. I'm gonna be doing 2 of them, so I got 2. They are 24 by 48. I did use a coupon to buy them. Without coupon or on sale, they can be expensive, but check them out on Amazon. They might be a little bit cheaper there. I will leave a link for you guys. As you can see, my area is all covered and protected. Now let's get the party started.
We could have some fun, baby, let's go. But I'll be bright and slow. I don't need a man. I'll be bright and slow.
Also scraping the borders as well.
I don't need a man. I'll be bright and slow.
I am done with the spray paint. It's looking really beautiful. I love how it turns out. I spray paint only a little bit more than half of the canvas, and I did keep the plastic on to protect the other half that I was not going to spray paint. Now I'm gonna start working on the other half.
My heart was in chains, but now I'm free. Yeah, I am only focusing on me. Love isn't something that I need. I'm sorry if I'm making you feel like I'm leading you on, but honey, I really don't need someone by my side. But we could have some fun, baby, let's go. Nothing serious, baby, not how. We could have some fun, baby, let's go.
So what I'm doing, I'm fading the white into the gold. It doesn't have to be perfect. I am done with the first one. I'm gonna be doing the same thing with the second one. Let me take this opportunity to welcome all of you who are new to my channel. My name is Dalou. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. And to all of my returning Glam Squad, my beloved Glam Squad, thank you so much. You guys are the best, and I love you guys so very much. Please follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Glam Style with Dalou. Now we're gonna be adding some glam to the first one. The key is to add a generous amount of matte patch on the Canva to hold the glitter, because we are not going to seal the glitters. I put the larger size glitter in the middle, followed by the thinner size on each side.
Sé que tú amas ese mal, pero tu instinto quiere tocar otra piel. No es tu culpa, baby. No es que seas mala, sino que te ha ganado el placer. A las 12 me llamas, porque ella quiere placer. Mujer quiere fuego en su cama, porque no se lo da él. No es un delito tenerte a mi lado, no es un delito estar obsesionado. Hay pecados que se merecen, que se repitan muchas veces. Aportar la gana que tenemos no es seguro. Salen porque salen.
I did not want the look to be too perfect, so I'm messing up the glitter a little bit just to get them to fade away a little bit or thin out a little bit. I kept checking on the spot to see where I do not have enough glitters. I put a little bit of Mod Podge and add some more glitters. After it was dry out, I did not like the final look of it. I've decided to add this glitter that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's a little bit thicker than the thinner one and it's darker as well. I thought it would add some depth to it. After I was done, I stood up the canvas to give it a good pat down to remove all the excess glitter. This step is really important. As you can see, these are all the extra glitters that I have came out.
Pero tu instinto quiere tocar otra piel. No es tu culpa, baby. No es que seas mala, sino que te ha ganado el placer. A las 12 me llamas.
My friends, please give today's video a big thumbs up and share it with one of your friends or your family member. If you like what you see so far, please do not leave without hitting your subscribe button and turning your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. I will see you on the next video. I thank you for spending your time with me today. I love you always. Bye-bye.